Hi, hello. So today, 26th July, we'll start another phylum. Briefly, general characteristics of Annelida I will explain. Let's start Annelida. So Annelida. So why it is called Annelida? Here annulus. Annelida annulus. Annulus means little rings. Annulus, meaning of annulus means little rings. That means these organisms have segments or rings on their body. So as they have rings on their body, they are called as ringed animals or segmented worms. These are segmented worms. Previously nematoda are round, but they don't have rings or segments. That's why they are just called as unsegmented worms, round worms. Here these are the segmented worms. Annulus means little ring. Remember this one. And coming to the habitats, most of them are free living animals, but leeches are the blood sucking parasites. They are ectoparasites, not endoparasites. That means outside the body, they will live outside the body and they will suck the blood of animals and humans also, even, right? So most of them are free living, like what is a earthworm, right? So here you can see different classes. Oligochaeta in earthworm, example, Polychaeta. These are marine worms, right? And Hydrodinia, leeches. So these are the classes: Oligochaeta, Polychaeta, Hydrodinia. And then metamerism you can see here. That means repeatedly segments are repeated in the body. So that is, any body parts are repeated, then we call it the process as metamerism. These animals show metamerism. And then symmetry is bilateral symmetry. We can cut the organism into two equal halves, right and left half. So bilateral symmetry we can see here. And coming to the coelomates, these are the coelomates, and they are schizocoelomates. Annelida, arthropoda and mollusca come under schizocoelomates, right? And what are schizocoelomates we have learnt in basic characters. See, in this schizocoelomates, in this Annelida, coelom you can see, if you cut the body and if you see the coelom, in each compartment, this coelom you can see in this way, okay, right? So next characters are locomotion. For locomotion, they have setae or parapodia. Setae, these are the setae, bristle-like structures. You can see these are the setae. You can see here on the top figure, setae, and then parapodia. These are the um, appendages. Okay, in Polychaeta, you can see these appendages, lateral appendages. These are the parapodia for locomotion. Digestive system is complete digestive system. It is straight, not coiled, and muscular tube. It is also a muscular tube, digestive system. Next, respiration is through diffusion. That means through the skin. Cutaneous respiration you can see in some animals, but in polychaetes you can see gills. Some parts of parapodia, some pairs of parapodia um, uh, will develop into gills. They help in respiration process, right? So the digestive system you can see, this is the pharynx, this is the pharynx, esophagus, and then crop you can see, intestine. Okay, next, best blood vascular system or circulatory system. In Annelida, only in Annelida you can see closed type of blood circulation system. That is, it has blood vessels, blood flows in the blood vessels, closed tubes called as blood vessels. And also you can see respiratory pigment, hemoglobin. So respiratory pigment you can see for the first time here, And then closed type of circulatory system also you can see first time here, and you don't see closed type of circulatory system anywhere in non-chordates. So circulatory system consists of you can see lateral hearts. These are the lateral hearts, and then two main blood vessels will be there: dorsal blood vessel and the ventral blood vessel. This one is the dorsal blood vessel, red one on the top, and this is the ventral blood vessel, blue color one. Dorsal and ventral blood vessels, two blood vessels will be there, and then lateral hearts also. This is about the blood vascular system in these animals. Nervous system, if you see, you can see paired ganglia. So paired ganglia will be there, and then connected. They are connected by lateral nerves to the double ventral nerve cord. This is the double ventral nerve cord. In each segment, ganglia you can see in each segment. So this is the nerve cord. Okay, paired ganglia you can see cerebral ganglia. This is the nerve ring. It forms a pharyngeal nerve ring here. Okay, which acts as a brain. So this is about the nervous system. Simply you can say paired ganglia are present, lateral nerves, and then double ventral nerve cord. Next, excretory system. So excretory system mainly consists of metanephridia for excretion. They help in excretion. So this is metanephridia. Okay, so this like this metanephridia will be there, and then this opens into the coelom through the nephrostome. This is the nephrostome. This yellow color one here. This is the nephrostome. 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 Right. Metanephridia. Reproduction. So earthworms and leeches. Earthworms and leeches are the bisexual animals, and you see direct development in them. So bisexual and direct development, no larval forms. But in polychaetes, polychaetes are the unisexual animals. They showed indirect development, and the name of the larva is trochophore larva. So bisexual in the sense, in a single animal, both testis and ovaries will be present. So testis you can see in these segments, testis are there. Okay, testis and spermatheca. These are the spermatheca. The sperms will be stored here, and then ovary you can see here, ovary, ovary, and then oviducts you get here. So testis and ovaries are present in both are present in single animal. They are called as hermaphrodites or bisexual animals, whereas the polychaetes are unisexual animals. So examples, already I have shown examples, earthworm, okay, and then leeches, nereis, okay, nereis, Polychaetalo nereis. Next, so this is about the Annelida. We will meet with another phylum soon. Thank you.